Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. This is Magi Harun. Today's video is all about celebrating the most important person in your life, you. Heart sparkles. I'm so excited to share ways to embrace Self-Love Day and nurture your mind, body and spirit. It's not just about relaxing, it's about deeply connecting with yourself, recharging, and reminding yourself of how amazing you truly are. So grab your favorite blanket, a cup of tea, and let's create some magic together. To kick off Self-Love Day, it's all about creating the perfect atmosphere. Your environment can have a huge impact on your mood, so let's transform your space into a sanctuary of calm and peace. Lighting. Soft, warm lighting is key. Use fairy lights, candles, or a diffuser with essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus to set the mood. Aromatherapy. A few drops of your favorite essential oil in a diffuser can help ground you. Lavender, chamomile, or rose oil are perfect for relaxation. Setting this tranquil environment is the first step in nurturing yourself, because we all deserve a space that feels like home to our soul. Self-love is deeply rooted in taking care of your body. It's time to honor yourself and indulge in a little pampering. Let's start with your skin, our largest organ after all. Take your time with a gentle skincare routine. Try a relaxing face mask, exfoliate gently, and hydrate with your favorite moisturizer. My go-to is a honey and oatmeal mask for softness and hydration. If you can, run a warm bath with bath salts or oils to soothe tired muscles. Add some dried flowers, bath bombs, or a bubble bath for extra comfort. If you're more of a shower person, use a body scrub to exfoliate and invigorate your skin. Take the time to breathe deeply and feel the water cleanse not just your body but your mind too. Treat your body to a nourishing meal. Whether it's a fresh smoothie bowl, a bowl of warm soup, or a delicious salad, make sure it's filled with love and wholesome ingredients. Eating mindfully is another beautiful way to practice self-love. Take your time, enjoy each bite, and feel gratitude for the nourishment you're giving your body. Self-love isn't just about pampering your body, it's about giving your mind and spirit the care they need to. Let's dive into some ways to bring relaxation and peace to your mental space. Set aside some quiet time for meditation. You can use a guided meditation on YouTube or simply focus on your breath. Close your eyes, inhale deeply, and release any tension or stress you might be carrying. I like to use a mantra, something like I am worthy of love and peace, to help center myself. Grab a notebook or journal and write down a few things you're grateful for today. It could be something big like your health or something small like a cozy blanket. Gratitude shifts our mindset and helps us focus on the abundance in our lives. Even on tough days, we can always find something to be grateful for. Spend some time outdoors if you can, whether it's a walk in the park, sitting on your balcony, or simply looking out the window. Nature has this incredible power to ground us and restore our energy. Even just standing in the sunlight for a few minutes can recharge your spirit. Let's have a little fun while we nurture our soul. These activities are all about exploring your creativity and engaging with things that bring you joy. Try something creative today, whether it's painting, knitting, writing, or even dancing around your living room. Creativity is a wonderful way to express your emotions and clear your mind. Let yourself be playful. Maybe even try some journaling, free writing, or sketching, whatever is on your heart. Laughter is healing, so watch a comedy special, dance to your favorite song, or even call a friend who always makes you laugh. Laughter isn't just a mood booster, it's a powerful way to release tension and create joy. That's it for today's Self-Love Day. Remember, this is just the beginning. Self-love is a journey, not a destination. You deserve all the care, peace, and joy that you give to others. Take the time to nourish yourself because you are so worth it. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more self-care and empowerment tips. Take care of your beautiful self, and I'll see you in the next video.